Hi, I'm Terry Pleer. I'm going to unbox my Epic Slim coffee. I'm so excited about this. I just got this, and Epic Slim is such a great opportunity. There's a great compensation plan, and there's great training, and I'm on a great team. But oh, here's the coffee. This is a pretty gold bag, and it's it's big. I didn't expect it to be this big. Now it says it's appetite suppressant mushroom coffee, and it has collagen protein. And what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to go ahead and well, let me open it up real quick before I make a cup. I didn't expect it to be this big. My goodness, it's a real fine powder. It smells delicious. I don't think I've ever had coffee smell this good. Almost smells like chocolate, but it does have other things in it besides. It has collagen powder and it's Arabica coffee. It has lion's mane mushroom extract. So let me go ahead and make a cup for you guys. Let me put you on hold and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. I'm going to make a cup of coffee right in front of you so we can find out how it tastes together. And there's a scoop in here. So I'm going to put in one scoop. I already have my hot water here. Let me get this scoop out. Okay, so here's a scoop. I'm gonna try it black first. I don't drink black coffee, but I still want to try it black first. It smells so good. I can probably handle it black, even though I'm gonna still add cream and sweetener. But I want to see how it tastes black before I do anything else. So here it is. Mix really easy. It's a little hot, so I'm gonna blow it first a little bit. Smells really good. It tastes really good too. So, so for people who like black coffee, this will be delicious. Now I can handle this black, but I still gonna doctor it up the way I like it, which is some. I have almond milk here, so put some almond milk in there, and then here's I'm using stevia or stevia, whatever it's called. But I'm gonna go ahead and add a serving of that and stir it up. So I have my cream and my. I'm gonna call it. I always say cream and sugar, even though I use stevia. But this is the way I doctor my coffee up. Okay. Let me move this paper towel out of the way. Oh my goodness, that's delicious. I'm gonna take a sip instead of a spoonful. Oh my, that is good coffee. So we have good, I'm gonna say great coffee. We have great coffee, a great opportunity, a wonderful compensation plan. Like I said, a wonderful team, wonderful training. So I'll be happy to have you join our team. I have a good mentor who'll help both of us, and I'm always available to help. And there's great training in the back office. But like I said, I'll be overjoyed to help you. Either message me or you can. There's a link in the bottom, so click the link below, and I will be happy to welcome you to our team. Thanks so much for stopping by. Have a wonderful day.